Hi everybody, it's Ashley. If you're watching this video, it means you need some help updating your ClassKick page so that you can get the full county membership. So I'm going to walk you through how to do it. It's really simple, and hopefully this will fix any issues you're having with ClassKick. So the first thing you're going to notice is that I'm on It's Learning. So I want to access it using Clever. And then moving into Clever, we're going to click ClassKick. If it prompts you to hit your Outlook information, go ahead and get that in there as well. So when you get onto the home screen, yours probably won't say Pro District right now, but we're going to get it to say Pro District. I need you to click on Profile, and you're going to check your organization. So when you click on organization, it should say this one listed on the screen, Bakerfield Elementary, Maryland City, Maryland, US. If it doesn't, your screen's going to look slightly different. You're going to have the option to change it. So you're going to want to make sure that it says Maryland City. Anything else will not link you to our Pro District account, and you're going to change that. Once you change that, it should automatically then update you to the Pro District. If you could just send me a quick email that you have done that, I will go into users and make sure that you are verified and have full access to ClassKick. If you have any questions, just reach out to me, come see me, and I will do my best to help you.